Okay, so we are near Robbinsville, North Carolina. Yes. In the Nantahala National Forest. It's freezing. It's a little cold. We're gonna try to find 3 waterfalls today. First one, Sassafras Falls. This trail though is notorious for being really hard to follow.
Yeah, and we already got lost getting here, so
yeah. So we're going to attempt it. Hopefully the rivers are not too high. Yeah, I guess we'll see.
Yeah.
All right, which way are we going?
We're going to Snowbird Creek, that way.
It does look slippery. Oh wow, that's really slippery. That thing? No. I need a stick. If that were flatter, I could just jump. Thanks. Did it break? That's what happened, it broke off. And I leaned on it and that's how I went down. Man. I don't know how you're gonna get across this. I know! This is so dumb. That log is really slick. Oh yeah, dude. It's like slime. Yeah, it feels like slime. This is terrible. Do we have to go back across this? Huh? Yeah. Alright, we have to figure out how to get across this river.
Yes.
It is a little high.
Yeah, and the rocks are just far enough apart that we might have to get our feet wet if we don't find anything. We're gonna go up a little bit and see if we can find something up here.
Nope.
Oh no. More bog. Should we go over? Oh wait, there's a bridge. Woo! Look at that. The poor guy who wrote this review didn't see it.
That is hilarious.
Yay! Wait, where do we go now? Okay. Which way do we go?
I think the trail's down there.
Oh, okay.
Looking for big falls, but I don't think there's really a trail to it. They just said listen for the sound and scramble down the bank.
So there's a scramble somewhere on the right.
I'm hearing it, so
It looks like we would have been down that one, but there might be a better way.
well, there's an upper and a lower one.
Yeah, this is definitely something. We should do this first. This looks better. Good thinking.
I actually All right, we're gonna do our wrap up before our battery dies.
Yes.
It's getting close.
All right, so what do you think of that trail or that?
Well, let's see. The
Stint.
first trail, Snowbird Trail, was pretty good. And
Yeah.
then Sassafras Trail was pretty good, and the
Really
falls
pretty.
were
Yeah.
amazing.
Yeah, I think if I were gonna do this again, I would just go back for Sassafras Falls.
Yes, it
Yeah.
was gorgeous.
Yeah.
One of my favorites for sure.
Yeah, beautiful.
Because Snowbird alternate was terrible.
Yeah, it was a little terrible. I mean,
It wasn't super long, but it was a lot of fallen trees, a lot of boggy.
Wasn't quite worth it. The fall was pretty, it like really pretty, but
it actually might have been prettier with less water. We're thinking, just because of the way that the rock was.
Yeah,
and then big falls. We don't even know if it was the right fall.
I don't know. We tried to like climb down the mountain, but there was trees and sticks all in the way.
We saw was big falls, but we're not even sure. I mean, it was pretty.
Yeah.
But Sassafras was definitely the winner for the day.
It was beautiful.
Yes.
And this was a fun day.
Yeah.
Despite getting lost in the bogginess of everything.
Well, we got lost driving.
Yes. Yeah, right. We didn't get lost. Yeah.
But yes, if you want to do it, I guess use Apple Maps from what we've heard. We used Google Maps and we got lost.
Yeah, we kind of ended up at the end of this very long, kind of awful road.
And I had to turn around in this muddy field area.
Yeah, I don't think we got that on film, but some of it, I know I got the turkeys. I'll show you guys the turkeys at the end.
So yeah, Sassafras definitely worth coming to. Other ones,
not so much.
If you want to.
Okay, see you later. I sat on it. Let's have. I don't know if you'll be able to see them or not.
Private driveway. What does this mean?
I don't know.